Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to create Mack artist account on a device in Mack app. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So as we know that Mack is a music streaming platform, so it is used to listen, upload and share music and mixtape, and it is also very popular for discovering very new music, especially for those who are independent and emerging artists. Now to create an Mack artist account, you just need to follow a few steps. Like creating an Mack artist account allows you to upload and share your music with a global audience. So here is how to set up your account step by step. So step 1, sign up for an Mack account. You can also sign up by visiting Mack's website or download the Mack app, and after that you just need to create an account or sign up and register your email or option to sign up via Facebook, Google or Apple. So now after signing up, you just need to complete your artist profile. Like after logging in, navigate to your profile settings. So you can navigate your profile settings from your profile. So this is your profile settings. So here you can set all of your profile. You can upload a high quality profile pictures that represent you as an artist, and add a compiling bio to introduce yourself to potential fans. So you can edit your profile, you can set up your high quality profile pictures, you can add your hometown label, you can add your multiple websites, you can also add your Instagram over here, you can add your Facebook over here, YouTube, TikTok, Linktree, whichever platform you are in, you can just add up here. And you can also link your website over here. You can add your very interesting bio which shows you are an artist. So that's how you can complete your artist profile. And after that, just need to upload your music. Click on the upload button, which is usually or typically found at the top of the page. Follow the prompts to upload your tracks. Ensure you have the rights to all the content you upload so that you won't face any kind of uncertainties which you might face in future. So make sure about that. And now you can provide detailed information for each track, such as title, genre and captivating descriptions. Now you can apply for the artist authentication. Like to apply for the artist authentication grants your profile a gray check badge distinguishing you as a verified creator. If you gain multiples of followers, if your song reach to globally virals, and you will be known as a verified creator. So to qualify, ensure your profile has a high quality profile photo, at least 2 original piece of content. Remakes and covers do not count over here. You just need your own original contents to get verified, and a minimum of 25 followers. You just need only 25 followers to get verified creator badge. So once these criteria are met, go to your creator dashboard, click apply for authentication and complete the application approval. Typically it takes 5 to 7 days to get approved. Now you can also manage your music with the Mack Creator app. For streamlined management, download the Mack Creator app, available for iOS and Apple for both. The apps allows you to upload tracks, view analytics and engage with your audience directly from your mobile device. So by following these steps, you will establish a robust presence on Mack, enabling you to share your music and connect with your fans worldwide. So for a visual guide, so let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.